Good evening and welcome back to my channel here on TikTok and also YouTube. Today is a Sunday and it's the 14th of April 2023, 10:34 p.m. Weekend, no trade day. So tomorrow is a Monday, first day of trading. I'm always excited for the first day of the week usually, because on the first day of the week usually there's not much of volatility on first day and also the first half of the day at least, for that matter. But then tomorrow at night there is a retail sales MOM news release at 8:30 p.m. Malaysian time. So prior to that, usually if there is no news, the price will be moving very slowly. When I say slowly, it also means that it's going according to our analysis usually. But then tomorrow night there is a news at 8:30 p.m. so very likely may not be the usual movement, but then let's see, okay. Anyhow, just want to show you guys on how the price movement for tomorrow, which is the first day of trading week. I want to show you guys how to make an entry using the M15 time frame based on direction and also breakout on a few time frames, which is H1, H4, H1 and M15. Alright, we want to have breakouts based on direction. Okay, how do we do that? Okay, from here let's take a look. The screen here, I have a lot of lines, right? You can see. Let me just give you another clean chart which is less lines. Okay, alright, let's look at this. For example, I'm going to put this aside. There's another one here. I'm going to put this aside. Alright, okay, as you can see, right, I'm just going to remove this one up to there. Okay, based on this we can see that this is about 232 pips. Alright, buy, follow, ARA, that's following the direction of the bullish candle, okay, which is a buy. In this case we want to focus on buys only. Look out for buys in the H4 time frame, H1 time frame, and also the 15-minute time frame. Okay, how do we do that? Okay, here we go. When I know the direction is the buy on the 4-hour on the same day, all right, I will go into H1 time frame. In H1, I will mark the zones for. What happened to my boxes? Never mind. New one. I'll mark a zone for H1 and I'm gonna put that blue color because I'm used to seeing H1 as blue. Alright, and then I want to wait for a breakout, which it did a breakout here. Okay, it did a breakout here. For example, it did a breakout, and then I would want to make a, okay, for this example, okay, I'm just gonna use this one. Okay, this is the 1-hour time frame. It did not break above, it closed back inside, right? If there is another breakout here, then I will look for buys. Okay, but right now it's reaching the higher shadow of the of H4 already. Either it's gonna break above or it's gonna come back down. So best is to wait for a breakout in H4 or wait for H4 to close back inside. Okay, so let me just move 1 hour later and see where the price go. The price tried to break and close back inside the box, right? Tried to break but close back inside the box. So there is no breakout for H1. Let's wait again. Everything is all about a waiting game. Okay, trading is all about waiting for the right setup. Okay, there is a breakout in H1. I'm gonna move this box to above higher shadow, the wick of that candlestick. And and then I will open the 15-minute time frame and wait for another breakout in 15 minutes before I make my entry. Alright, in this case you can tell that when that broke, I'm gonna just use this one. I think this candlestick broke. This candlestick broke. Which one? Let me see which one. Let's mark the candlestick that broke it. Okay, this one, right? So I'm just going to draw a vertical line on this, and then go back to 15 minutes and see where is that line. Okay, it's there. So I'm going to draw a 15-minute box. I'm just going to remember that line. Okay, it's this one. So this one is going to be red in color. Okay, so the moment there's a breakout, this is 15-minute, right? 15-minute candle close, breakout, I can immediately make a buy entry. What is my risk? My risk is this whole area, which is about 24 pips. It's okay, not too big. I'll make a buy. Alright, let me see. 3 entries I'll buy there. And then let me move the candles. Here we go. Alright, I went against it. Never mind, floating. And then again. Next. It broke above. Correct? Profit already. Close it. I'm profiting $136. Okay, that is a breakout. Let's see, did it break out H1? Oh, why is my Wi-Fi so slow? It broke H1 again. Okay, so I'm gonna, this is a new zone for H1, but could that be H4 as well? Is it a new zone for H4? Let's see. It is. So this is a new zone for H4. I'm gonna measure it. If it's more than 74 pips, which is, it is, it's 200 pips, still a strong buy. I'll go back to H1. Alright, assuming there's a candle that's breaking, go back to 15 minutes. That was the one that broke, right? Like I said, broke, high 200 pips range, right? Still strong buy. I'll still buy. Let's see where the price go. Oh, shot up all the way up. Okay, immediately $785. What else? I close the trade. Okay, that's the new 15-minute zone. And also H1, I suppose, of USD. Alright, so buy, follow aura, still buy. Let's go back to 15 minutes. Wait for breakouts, let's see. Next 15 minute break inside, close inside. Next 15 minute candle, still inside, hovering, yeah. Breakout. Alright, so there is a breakout, still has a buy direction on H1 and also H4. So I would just buy. There you go. Trust the process. Simple strategy, works all the time. Go back to 1 hour. It didn't break above, it still goes back inside, right? So there's a high chance there's some rejection going on. There's also a doji candle. It could be a sign of a reversal. Okay, and over here, let's see. Let's not make any trades. Let's continue going in to the 15-minute time frame and see the next candlestick form. Close back, red inside. Okay, so higher shadow H4. If it doesn't break above, it's trying to come back down to half of it. Alright, come back half. So this is the new zone for M15. Okay, technically I wouldn't want to make entry yet, but I can if I want to for a sell. Otherwise, I want to wait for a price to come back down and break the H1 first. Okay, but it's a bit too far. So I'm going to take the risk. What's my risk? Inside this range only. That's about 65 pips range. Alright, it's a bit risky, but it's okay. I'm willing to take a sell here. Just 1 out of 3. There you go, 188 pips. Just like that. Candlestick movement, new M15. Where else after this? On the 15-minute time frame. Okay. Break, close inside. Next candlestick. Break, close inside. Next candlestick. Break and still try close inside. Break, still close back inside. So it's hovering, right? So it's ranging. Break and close above. So this is a new M15 zone. Yes, it's synchronizing with my buys, with H4's buy direction. But again, remember, it's on the higher shadow already. Very likely it may go up or it may come back down still. You may want to make a breakout. 15 minutes could be a hint for a breakout for H1. H1 is very near to breakout, but it couldn't break yet. Where is H1? There you go. Couldn't break. So I'm going to take another risk to sell because it broke below, right? You know, sorry, buy because it broke above. Enter. Retrace. Worst case scenario, a lower shadow of M15 before rejecting upwards. There you go. Profit $57. Close. It's still on the buy. I'm gonna make more buys now. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Can you see the price, how much I'm making bit by bit by bit? This because the new zone for M15. Yes, on the high shadow, H4 is already broken above as well. Okay, so that marks a new high. I'm going to bring this up here. Now we measure, right? Every time new zone created, we measure. So 160 pips. Okay, 160 pips on the buy direction. Okay, go to H1 and I'll look for my H1 zone. Breakout H1 and also breakout M15. Okay, M15 would be, yeah, definitely a breakout, right? Obviously, from here, that's a breakout. So this became an existing candle. Okay, on the buy direction, but then on the 15 minutes it broke above, so I'll continue with my buy. 3. Let's see. We may retrace back and close above. There you go. Now 224. Can you see the power of candlestick movement on multiple time frames, especially on H1 and M15 to complete H4's direction? So that will give you more confidence to enter a trade, knowing the direction. Stop trading currencies where you think it has reached the support, all-time support, and suddenly it breaks and keeps on going lower, and you're fucked. So on gold is, I don't want to use the word predictable, but it's very much calculated on how it will go based on purely technical analysis of candlestick to candlestick. I'm super sleepy now. I don't think I'm going to continue my videos, but yeah, just wanted to show you a back test on making entries on M15 only, based on breakout on the right direction, same direction. Alright, adios, good luck. If you like this video, click happy, please click share and like. Share, like, subscribe, and I'm trying to reach 1,000 viewers for me to start my live TikTok. Alright, wish me luck. Have a great weekday ahead, and also happy trading tomorrow. Ciao.